We will continue creating the 3D model from the scan data, and in this tutorial we will use multi-section surface, a 3D curve, and some other commands. Let's start. We'll open the previous model and continue creating the surface model. So select the file, and with the drag and drop we can open the file. And in this tutorial I am planning to create this top surface. So for that I will insert one geometrical set, top surface, then activate the top surface, and in this I'll use other option, trap, polygon, and insert the polygon. Select the scan and define the boundary, polygon. So since this option is insert the polygon boundary, so this command will select both outer and inner scan, means A surface and B surface we can say, then okay. So I will try to activate only A surface, that is outer scan. Go to activate again. Then define the polygon. And okay. So this is the scan activated. And of course, even I don't want to include this fillet area, that I can exclude, or maybe at the time of creating the surface we can ignore that portion. So I will exclude this fillet area. So here I'll use outside trap. Okay. So with this activated scan, uh, I'm going to create the surface using the command multi-section surface, and of course a 3D curve. So for multi-section surface, I would like to create three sections and one guide curve. So this is a 3D curve command, and this is not like a spline in GSD. So this command is useful in reverse engineering module. So one section, just select the scan. It, the curve will pick the scan data. The second section somewhere here, and the third section. Avoid picking the point which is on the fillet of the scan. Okay, so these are the three sections I would like to use. Then I will create one guide curve. So this guide curve, again select the point on the scan, and also you can select the point on the curve, 3D curve as well. Okay. You can edit the curve even if you want. Say to edit the curve, just double click on the 3D curve, then it will allow to edit the curve. So either this point, either left to right to up or down, so you can adjust. Yeah. So you can check the curve. So either it is aligning with the scan or not. So this looks okay. Then okay. Then go to the multi-section surface. Select the three sections. Make sure that all these three sections direction same should be in the same direction. Then guide curve. Select this. Preview. So the surface is created. Okay. Then activate the complete scan. Activate all. Okay. So I would like to extrapolate to the surface to match with the scan even. Yeah. So the surface can also extend till here and also maybe this direction. Go to extrapolate, then select the create the boundary. Okay. Then support extrapolate surface can be yes, maybe around 8 mm or 10 mm. This looks okay. Then okay. So this is how we can create the surface using the multi-section surface. And now we will try to check the deviation. So deviation between this created surface and scan. So for that we have the deviation analysis. Select this. So reference can be scan and to measure is surface. So choose the texture option, then apply. So we can see here this is the deviation. These are the deviation. We can also edit these values. Okay. If you see, so let me include only this green portion. So this green portion I would like to edit. So this can be plus 0.5 and this one minus 0.5. It means that so I would like to see this green portion. Where is this deviation of the surface? We will hide the scan and also the surface. So here clearly we can see this green color region. So light green and dark green and light green. So that portion is within zero point 0.5 plus or minus. So this looks okay. So why the other region? This is showing in yellow and this is red is that. So there is no scan that portion. So it means that the distance between the scan and surface is 2. It's more. It's around 4.6 something like that. So this surface is within the deviation. This is okay. So most of the reverse engineering related projects, so allowable deviation will be somewhere around plus or minus zero point 0.5. The same way I'm planning, I'll create the surface, this area, then I'll try to connect these two surfaces using the blend command.